if you are looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with good cameras and some good features, this Tecno Spark 30C is actually good for you. It comes with some good features, like most especially the infrared remote control, which means you can use this phone to control your TV, your air conditioning and other home appliances, which is the special features that was put on this phone. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this video to show you how this phone actually functions, and for you to see what are the things that this particular Tecno Spark 30C comes with, what is actually inside this box, in which you can see on your screen. So join me while I unbox this mobile smartphone device. So when you're unboxing this phone, these are some of the things in which you get to see on this particular box when you buy a new Tecno Spark 30C. One of the things in which it comes with is the phone. You can see this is the smartphone in which is inside the box. The next thing is when you unbox this place, this is what you see. It also comes with 12 plus 1 month warranty. And another important thing is the cover. It comes with a transparent cover, but if you don't like a transparent cover, you can actually get a different, any kind of covers which you want, depending on the type in which you want. So you can actually get it out there in the market. Then it also comes with 18 watts charger. This is the head, and this is the type C. It's actually a type C, 18 watts type C charging wired cable. So this is how the cable looks like, and these two goes hand in hand. Then the next thing is it comes with a hands-free, which you can use for playing music. But mostly for me, most of these hands-free that comes with these phones sometimes are not as good as you may think, but is actually manageable. The last but not the least, the SIM injector is used to remove your SIM, that's to eject your SIM from the phone. So that's just the purpose. So these are everything that is actually inside the box of the Tecno Spark 30C. Now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to put this phone on for us to actually see what are the main features, what are the settings, everything which I've talked about. What are the special things that makes this phone budget friendly? Why is this phone very good? This phone goes for 1,799 Ghana cedis. That's almost like 1,800 cedis, which is in naira. If you want to convert it, that's like 180,000 naira if you want to get it in naira, and in cedis is 1,800 cedis if you are looking forward to get the Tecno Spark 30C, which I think is actually very good because the price is very good, and it also has some good features, which is the fact that it comes in 128 gig internal storage, 256 gig internal storage, and it comes in 4 gig RAM, but it has an expandable memory which is extra 2 gig. So depending on what you want, this phone actually is good. So now when we put the phone on, this is how it looks like. And I'm also going to be doing a camera test of this phone for you to actually see how the camera looks like when you're using it to make video, take picture, or take a selfie. It doesn't matter what you want to do with it. So it's a matter of choice. Whatever you want to do with this phone, you get to use it to do it. The CPU is actually Helio G81, and the RAM is 4 gig RAM and plus 2 gig expandable memory. Then it comes with 50 megapixel dual camera. The front camera is 8 megapixel. The battery lifespan is 5,000 milliamp battery, which is what it comes with, and it comes in Android 14 version, which you can see on your screen. So these are some of the special things in which this phone comes with, and I'm going to be doing a camera test for you to actually see how this camera looks like when you are using it to take picture or do any other things. This is how the front camera looks like when you are making a video. You can see the picture quality. For a budget friendly smartphone, the front camera is quite better. It's very good from what I've seen. And this is the back camera, how it looks like when you're making a video. This is how the back camera looks like. These are the things in which I recorded using the back camera, different location for us to actually see the picture quality to know how this video on this phone looks like. When you come to the settings, this is what you see. For the storage, this is exactly what I said. This particular one comes with 128 gig internal storage. If you want more storage on your mobile device, maybe you want to get this particular phone and you need something of 256 gig, this phone also comes in 256 gig, and you can see that the price is actually very good compared to some smartphones in which before you can be able to get them, you have to spend like 3,000 Ghana cedis if you want to buy a new phone, which is like 300,000 in Naira. So if you want to get these devices, but for this particular one, it's very cheap. To me, I believe it's very cheap because with the simple features which are on this phone, it makes this phone to be one of the best budget-friendly smartphone. And not just in this particular one, Tecno have a whole lot of budget-friendly smartphone. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, make sure to click on the like, share this video to others, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, JTG Unbox Lab. More videos coming up.